everyone, it's Eld Trades, your Treasury Manager. Today I just wanted to make a video to give you a bit of an update of something that I think is coming up for the next few days and weeks, and what we're doing with the Treasury in order to position us in the best possible way. Basically, there's bearish divergence on BTC. There has been since about 44, 45k, and what we've been doing since about 45k is we went even harder into stables, and we are still going harder into stables. Now, I know that some of you are wondering why we have so many stables and we're not, doing much with it, like trading and buying and risking back on. Well, first of all, I want to say we're always farming them, always finding the best APYs and APRs. And basically what we're doing is we're waiting for the best possible time to find a low risk, high reward type of like long-term trade, so we can make as much money as possible, at least in the medium to long term. We're not here to start short-term day trading, leverage trading for the Treasury. First of all, it will take too much of our time, which we need to build and make connections. And secondly, it would actually increase risk, which is not something that we want now. Anyways, so to just keep this really, really simple, the Treasury right now is about 1.15 mil. So we're doing very well. And as of about an hour ago, we went even harder into stable coins, and with this 54k ETH, we might even take another 20k into stable coins, because the BTC just does not look great to me. It's most likely going to return to 42 and 40k before it actually starts to reverse. If we look at Total 2, same thing. So Total 2 is the altcoin market cap. We've already started taking profits around up here. I said there was bearish divergence, it was at resistance, now we're dumping, and it's probably going to end up at 1 trillion, which should actually continue to be bad for altcoins. Now, something very, very important, guys. A lot of you would have asked, why is the price not pumping? What's going to happen with dividends? First of all, we are going to do buyback and dividends very, very soon. The first ones will be manual, as you guys deserve it. We want to speed it up. And then after that, there will be a trigger mechanism so far as to incentivize everyone to buy bond or so and so and so. Now, yes, so there is one coming up. But what I wanted to say is that if the market continues this, at least local trend of, going down, and FTM, which we are correlated to, also follows the market, which it will, and continues down, which it probably will, then the price of SCC will also follow that. Because at the end of the day, it goes like this. Bitcoin is correlated to the world markets, ideally SPX, the American market. FTM is correlated to Bitcoin, and SCC is correlated to FTM. So we can conclude that, if I think some dark days or weeks are coming ahead, that the price of SCC will also follow that, no matter what we do. So no matter how much buybacks we do, no matter how much marketing we do. Now, in saying that, we will optimize buybacks and marketing as much as we can to keep the price afloat, and it might even, go up from here. So it's not all doom and gloom, but what you should take out of this is we may have a storm coming. And we've had this before. We've had the last dump. Obviously, we followed BTC, if you guys remember, at least the older holders. And we weathered the storm, and we're consolidating right now. But again, if another dump comes and we can go, below this price, remember to act rationally, okay? Don't make any impulsive decisions that you wouldn't if you weren't in an emotional state. So always focus. How well are we doing with the Treasury compared to market cap and compared to other projects? How well is our results, with the Treasury also compared to other projects? How about the fact that we haven't done dividends and many buybacks yet? We have done some, but we have a lot more to go. So think about that. Think about the partnerships we are building right now, because we're doing bonding services for other projects, and we will also get a percentage of what they make from bonds, the same way as Olympus DAO does as well. So that is also a massive growth that's coming. So before you panic or you think it's a rug or something, which some new people think it might be sometimes, whether it is SCC, whether it is NEP, just remember that all these storms, this is where smart money buys, because they know that we have the best Treasury to market cap ratio. They know that we have some amazing partnerships coming up. They know that we have weathered the previous storms much better treasury-wise than other FAS and BAS projects. So at the end of the day, if you're just patient with us, as we have been with you, and if we weather the storm together, then at the end of the day, we will see the light. And that is exactly what I wanted to pretty much tell with this video. So yeah, just take that into mind, that we may have some bad times ahead price-wise, but we will not stop building. That is our priority, and we will not stop growing the treasury. And in the end of the day, our actions will reflect the price, and especially when the bull market comes, not only will it reflect it, but all of these will come together, and investors who have not seen it yet, who have not been aware of us yet, they will all flock in. So we have big visions, and we believe that they will play out. All we need is your patience and endurance, and then we will all make it. So that is it for today, guys. I appreciate you listening, taking your time, and another video will be made in about a week, and there'll be more AMAs. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.